Hello, my name is Mats Kappanen. I'm a senior engineer at ABB. Today we're going to install RobotWare on our OmniCore controllers. Let's get started! Initially, we start Installation Manager 7 from Robot Studio. Let's go through the steps of creating an offline system. We start by selecting the Virtual Controller tab and clicking on the plus sign. Alternatively, we can click on the New button. By creating a virtual controller, you can edit the system offline, you can edit it as many times as you like, you can test the system in Robot Studio before deploying it to a real controller. We need a name for the system, for example My System 1. This name is only used by our offline RobotWare system. In the Distribution tab, the next step is to select the RobotWare distribution to be used. A distribution is a RobotWare package containing all the products within a RobotWare 7 release. Let's select one. Now, in the Products tab, we see all the products that are in the selected distribution. Here we can also add other RobotWare add-in products. Let's continue by going to the licenses. Here we can see automatically added virtual licenses. We recommend using real licenses. These can be fetched from the OmniCore controller, either via a backup or by exporting the license files when in RobotWare installation utilities. Let's add real licenses. Now we have added the required licenses to our system. From the Options tab, we can review and change the optional features that will be present in our RobotWare system. The optional features derive from the license files added in the step before. We need to review the summary to ensure that everything has been added. Now let's create the system by clicking Apply. And there we go. We have created a new virtual controller called My System 1. Now that we have created a system, we need to create a package to use when installing a new system on the OmniCore controller. This package is called Installation Package. The default location for the installation package is in the virtual controller, but can be changed to any location. Let's create the installation package at the default location. Before installing a new system, we set the controller in installation mode. This can be done via Robot Studio's Restart menu or via the Flex Pendant settings. We are already in installation mode. In the Install RobotWare System function, we can start installing a system. But first, the current system needs to be deleted, since OmniCore controllers only allow one system at a time. Let's delete the current system. In this section, we have the option to select different levels of what to delete. Let's continue with the recommended delete option. We confirm our intent to delete. The system is now deleted. Now we will be guided on how to continue with the installation of the system. Let's click Next. Here we need to select the installation package that we created earlier. After an automatic validation of the installation package, we can continue by clicking Next. The new system has been installed successfully. Let's activate the new system. Now we are ready and can start the controller by clicking Start. The system has now started up correctly, and you can begin using your OmniCore controller.
I hope this has been interesting. Thanks for watching.